Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create meeting in Microsoft Teams. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just install the Microsoft Teams app and create an account. And after doing that, just go to the Microsoft Teams app. Here you can see in the middle here, there are 4 options. By selecting the middle two, Meet Now and Meet Later, you can create a meeting. Click on the Meet Now option, the second one. In this option here, you can start a meeting instantly. It is instant meeting process. Here you can see Share Meeting Invite. By clicking it, you can share the meeting invite through third-party apps just like chats, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so many. Here you can see. You can also copy meeting link by clicking here. Now just click the third option here, Meet Later. By this option you can schedule a meeting for later by completing all these options here. So guys, that's how you can create meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.